The situation as it stands on this side of the line of control. Kashmir burns for the 5th day now as pro-Pakistan militants spread hatred on the ground. Look across the LOC and the biggest militant names in the anti-India book, people who've attacked and killed in India, meet openly to spew venom. A former ISI chief is among them. It's in this climate that India and Pakistan meet for peace talks. The questions raised are obvious ones.
You are able to kind of build a reconciliatory atmosphere within the state and also have good, kind of dialogue going on with the Pakistan. I think then, it helps in the situation. But unfortunately, after 2005, till then we had adopted the healing touch policy. Dialogue was going on with the Hurriyat people.
It goes further. Pak Prime Minister Gilani now says India has agreed for talks only under pressure. That doesn't do much confidence building in the run-up either. The air of hopelessness for any breakthrough doubles itself.
Unilateral offer of talks with Pakistan at this juncture is a diplomatic blunder of the proportion of the Sharm el-Sheikh. क्योंकि विदेश सचिवों की जब बात होती है तो आतंक पर चर्चा नहीं होती है. It is nothing but composite dialogue.
On the ground, residents of Srinagar feel talks for the sake of them cannot lead to any situation without the definitive atmosphere.
पथराव बहुत जारी तेज चल रहा है, पथराव हो रहा है, मासूम जानें चल रही हैं, तो इस पे बातचीत पे असर पड़ेगा जरूरी.
अभी तक नहीं निकाला तो अब क्या मसले का हल निकालेंगे? ये तो सीधी सी बात है. चाहे आप क्या करो फिर भी इस मसले का कोई हल नहीं निकलने वाला है.
Yet there are those who insist that dialogue alone opens whatever window is possible. India apparently goes ahead with its diplomatic effort on this premise. With video journalists Firdaus Ahmed and Suhail Bukhari in Srinagar, Vibha Verma, News X.